Happy Saturday, happy Easter. So on today's episode, we're making Andrew Zimmern's sticky, spicy Chinese chicken wings. And Andrew Zimmern's one of my favorite chefs, and this is one of my favorite all-time recipes. Start with chicken wings. So I've got about 1.3 kilos of chicken wings, or for you Americans, about 3 pounds. Scallions, or spring onions, 2. Actually, 3. Brown the chicken wings over medium heat, turning once until a golden, about 8 minutes. Some star anises. It's like a kind of a licorice flavor. It says to add 2 whole star anises. I'm gonna put 1, 2, 3. It says to add, break that into 2 parts. 2 tablespoons of freshly minced ginger. I'm also making a pho, which is coming along really nicely. But I'm actually making it for tomorrow night, so I really like cooking and I like making videos, so it's kind of one of those natural things to put together. And I find it really therapeutic, to be honest, just kind of talking through what's going on. It's a good way of gathering my thoughts. That's probably about fine enough. So, more than I need, so I'm just gonna put this into the pho broth. It says we need 3 tablespoons of mirin. All right, so this is mirin. So mirin's a Japanese ingredient. It's like this kind of a sweet cooking wine, I think. So just need 3 tablespoons. 1, 2, 3. Sesame oil. Not much in there, I'll just finish that off. And a 1/3 cup of soy sauce. About 3/4 of the way. Chinese rice wine, about 3/4. And then 3/4 of water. All right, that is done. Let me just watch Andrew's video while I make it.
A cinnamon stick, a few buds of star anise.
Anise.
I like to use the Chinese rock sugar, minced or sliced ginger, whatever your pleasure is. Scallions, mirin,
Scallions.
sake, soy, a little bit of water, oyster sauce. Give it a shake so the wings are back to one layer. Make sure my aromatics are in the liquid. And then this is the part that makes it so easy. We put a lid on it, lower the heat, cook it for about 10 minutes. For that sauce to become syrupy around them is the key to this.
All right, how much brown sugar do we need? I might just put 2 tablespoons. Add a little bit of butter to the sauce at the end as well, just as a little riff. Everything's better with butter. Excuse me. All right, so this is already really nice and hot. And I'm just gonna put it wing side down, just so they start searing up. So lovely brown, like slightly little toast auburn color. I want to get them all to about the same consistent color. These wings in. With that chicken fat and juices. So now those are been like nicely browned. I'm gonna add our liquid. Just like pour it all around there, all over. Cover it. Reduce the heat. We get all the aromatics like below the liquid as well. And that's already starting to smell amazing. All right, so you want to get all the wings covered in the sauce. Get some of that ginger down there too. All right, so now that's all covered in some sauce. Let me make sure these are buried because those flavors need to infuse. So that's been cooking now for about 10 minutes. And we're just gonna take the lid off and just let it reduce. You can see a lot of the liquids come out from the chicken, which the cooking. Liquid, that sauce will reduce to like a nice kind of syrup, like a syrupy gravy contexture. And then contexture. It's not even a word. The roasted baby capsicums. Taste one. It's so good. The texture and how the flavors like really penetrate the meat. You just can't get that from any other technique. You really taste how the star anise, the sweetness of the star anise, really blends with the saltiness of the soy and the mirin. All right, that's dinner. Nice work, Andrew Zimmern.